in the hose, climbing high with might. Sweat may fall, but hearts burn bright. Voices call, the team stands as one, shoulder to shoulder till work is done. Over the wall, heartbeat in a race, laugh together under evening rays. Softly glow, quiet dreams begin to flow. Then sirens sound, hearts start to pound. A mission calls, no fear is found. Let's move out, the flames are ahead. Through the dark the sirens are led. In our hearts there's only one aim, guard the peace in every home's flame. More tension, streets and drum fills, shot for. Voices cry, the fear in their eyes. Hand in hand they reach for the skies. Single call, through smoke and the flame. Golden eyes shining strong through the pain. Charging in, finding hope inside. Carrying her through the fire's tide. Hold my hand, share a gift of care. Thankful hearts in the smoky air. Side by side, wearing pride we've earned. Till the sunrise, peace has returned. Smoke fades past, the streets come again. Laughter rings, cheers call our name. Standing tall, gazing far ahead. Through the night, safe dreams are spread.